Hello, Cloud Dwellers. As part of our ongoing Marketing Cloud CERT review, we're back today to explore another question that has to do with data automation. This time, we're exploring the role of SQL queries in automation data management. Let's check it out. Now, this week's question asks, what is the function of the SQL query activity in Automation Studio? So, in order to answer that question, let's take a look at what SQL query activities do in general. And first of all, the question of whether or not we can create a SQL query has been solved. One of the things we can absolutely do in Automation Studio is create a SQL query. And what this query allows us to do in a code-based approach, it allows us to go into different data sources and pull from those data sources elements we might want to use in a data extension. So it's really a data management tool that allows us to go and grab data from different places and work with that data to be able to create additional databases that will allow us to focus in on specific people and specific data points that we can use for personalization purposes. All right. So there's a lot of great things we can do with SQL queries, but just to answer the general question, yes, it's all about data management. So now if we look at the potential answers, let's look at answer A. We use it to send test messages. No, we actually don't. It's not about sending test messages at all. It's about data management and sorting. So yeah, not really a good answer at all. Answer B says to manage email approvals. Once again, unless that's something that has to do with data management, it doesn't necessarily fit the criteria here. So it has nothing to do with email approval. And answer C says to build HTML content blocks. No, it's not doing any kind of creation of anything. It's simply pulling data from different sources and storing that data into other data extensions. So it's not going to be C. So the final answer is going to be D, to create or update data extensions. Ding, ding, ding. That is the one we're going for this time. To explore other questions and answers surrounding Marketing Cloud certification and mastery, please subscribe to this channel and we'll drop a new question for you to check out every week. Also, this question was taken directly from our new and free certification quiz featuring 125 practice questions covering the Email Specialist certification exam. If this sounds like something that you could use, simply go to blueclouduniversity.com and click on the CERT Prep tab to get started. Thanks for dropping by. I'll see you again next time.